One fine morning, a rooster decided that he wanted to travel. So, right then and there, he set out to see the world. He hadn't walked very far when he began to feel lonely. Just then, he met two cats. "Come along with me to see the world." Cats liked the idea of a trip very much. "Meow, we would love to." And they set off down the road with the rooster. As they wandered, the rooster and the cats met ribbit, 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 three frogs. "How would you like to come with us to see the world?" "Why not? Ribbit, ribbit, we are not busy now." So the frogs jumped along behind the rooster and the cats. After a while, the rooster, the cats, and the frogs saw four turtles crawling slowly down the road. "Hey, how would you like to see the world?" "It might be fun." And then joined the others. As the rooster, the cats, the frogs, and the turtles walked along, they came to five fish swimming in the brook. "Plop, plop, 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 plop." "Where are you going?" "We are off to see the world." "Plop, plop, plop, may we come along?" "Plop, plop, 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 plop." "Cook-a-doodle-doo, delighted to have you." And so, fish came along to see the world. The sun went down. It began to get dark. The moon came up over the horizon. "Meow, meow, where is our dinner?" "We are supposed to sleep. Brrr, we are cold." Just then, the fireflies flew overhead. "We are afraid." Bloop, 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 bloop. Now, the rooster really had not made any plans for the trip around the world. He had not remembered to think about the food and shelter. So, he didn't know how to answer his friends. After a few minutes of silence, the fish suddenly decided that it might be the best if they headed for home. Plop, 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 plop. They wished the others a happy trip and swam away. Then the turtles began to think about their warm house. They turned and crawled back down the road without so much as a goodbye. The frogs weren't too happy with the trip anymore either. First one, and then the other, and finally the last one jumped away. They were polite enough, though, to wish the rooster a good evening as they disappeared into the night. The cats then remembered an unfinished meal they had left behind. They kindly wished the rooster a happy journey, and they too headed for home. Now, the rooster was all alone, and he hadn't seen anything of the world. He thought for a minute and then said to the moon, "To tell you the truth, I'm not only hungry and cold, but I'm homesick as well." The moon did not answer. It too disappeared. The rooster knew what he had to do. He turned round and went back home again. He enjoyed a good meal of grain and sat on his very own perch. After a while, he went to sleep and had a wonderful dream. all about a trip around the world.